Hello, my name is Gautam Prajapat and I have done my graduation in BTECH in Computer Science and Engineering, and I have joined Qspiders 6 months before in 2025 September, and now it's been 6 months and I have joined as a Python full stack developer here, and I've learned so many things here, and now finally after 6 months I got placed in a reputed MNC company, and as a project manager role. As of now intern, later on it will be a project manager, and my journey in the Qspider is actually very it's inspiring and actually very good. Uh, if I talk about my learning experience and if I talk about my growth experience based on technologies which I learned here, it's actually very mesmerizing and actually very good. So from the trainers and from the trainers itself, they give us so many motivation and everyday learning from basic to advanced. Everything they taught us, and everyday proper classes. And apart from this, if I talk about my classes, there's grooming sessions for our interview preparation, aptitude sessions again for our aptitude preparation, and the presentations which is held every single day after our classes, which again helpful for us to refrain our all the basics and clear all the basics, which is very important for any company, for any interview. So overall it was a very nice and it was a very good experience for me. And if I say, it is a fully helpful and fully growth oriented and learning experience for me. And finally, I'm so happy and I would like to thank you, the whole Q Spiders, for this and for this experience as well. So thank you so much.